Hey everybody, Scott Woolsey with the Knowles Woolsey team at RE/MAX. I'm down at 111 Worsley Street today. Now it looks a little bit quiet, a little bit cold out here today. That's because half this building's likely down in Florida. That's just one of the many benefits of condo living. Maintenance free, indoor parking, unbelievable amenities out here. We got this huge common area space I'm walking on right now. Gorgeous gas barbecue, ideal spot to entertain. On top of that, let's talk about this location right downtown, Collier and Mulcaster Street. So close to downtown, but you're not living right in it. All the great restaurants, all the great shops. This is the best of the best. Welcome to Unit 607, guys. There's so much you're gonna love here. We got one bedroom and a den, one full bath, just over 650 square feet. So whether you're a young professional, retiree, or downsizer, you're gonna love the fit and finish of this suite. It's got a really modern feel. The best part, unbelievable views of historic downtown Barrie and Kempenfelt Bay. Did I tell you that view is amazing or what? Plus check out this open balcony, absolute ideal spot to start the day with a coffee or end it with a glass of wine. On top of that, let's recap. We got indoor parking, storage locker, unbelievable maintenance-free living, plus we're steps to all your favorite downtown Barrie amenities. That's about as good as it gets. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.